So in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate center of mass and how to change the material in SolidWorks. Okay, so we have the basic model here. And the first thing that we want to do, we want to change the material. We want to apply material, right? So if we go here to the left side, Feature Manager Design Tree, here we have material. It says not specified. So we can just go with a right click, edit material, and now we can choose here material. So we have the steel, we have iron, aluminum, titanium, we have like plastics, right? We have silicons, rubber, woods. So anything that you need, you're gonna find here. So the only thing that you have to do, find your material, for example, alloy steel, and just click apply. So we just apply to our material and you can see the color a bit changed here. Now the next thing that we wanna do, we wanna calculate the mass. Now, before we do so, you can go down here and you can change the units. I'm going to work in kilograms, okay, in millimeters. If you're going to work in inches, pounds, you can use that. That's totally fine. So how to calculate the mass? So go here to the basic modeling tools, and here you have mass properties. Just click on this, and now here you have a lot of information. For example, here's the mass, 6,829.90 grams. Right? So for example, if I change the material now, you can see here is no alloy steel. I can go to the edit material and I can go with a different material and I'm going to see that the mass will change. For example, let's go with cast alloy steel, apply. Let's go back to the mass properties. And now we have 6,040.75 instead of 6,800 something, right? So basically, this is how you change the material. How you calculate the center of the mass. So the first thing we have to know, where is our coordinate system? So let's go here to this eye. Let's go here, view origins. And now we can see our origin. And now we can go here to the mass properties again. And here is the center of mass, right? X, Y, and Z. But now sometimes you have to calculate the center of the mass relative to some new coordinate system. The first thing that you have to do, you have to define this coordinate system. So if you go here to the reference geometry, you're going to find your coordinate system. And now you have to position this coordinate system. So for example, we want to put this here. And also now we can define the orientation of the X, Y, and Z, right? For example, I want that X will be this. And I want that X will be in different direction. I want that Y will be this. And I want that it will be in different direction. And now this is our new coordinate system. Just click OK. And you can see here in the Feature Manager Design Tree, coordinate system 1. And now you can go again to the mass properties. And you have to choose here coordinate system 1. And now you can see that the center of the mass changed because this is the center of the mass relative to coordinate system 1. So yeah, this is how in SolidWorks you calculate mass, change the material, and calculate center of the mass. If you want to learn more about SolidWorks, click the link below and join my SolidWorks community where I teach everything that you need to know about SolidWorks, from part design, assembly, drawings, sheet metal surfacing, finite element analysis, and also preparation for a CSWA and CSWP. See you in another video.